Sitting straight with your eyes closed. Feel your back is straight with your spine erect. And feel that you've closed your eyes softly, gently. You shouldn't be squeezing your eyes shut. Relaxing the small muscles surrounding of your eyes. Relax your jaw. Relax your tongue. Relax your mind. Always keeping your mouth closed throughout your formal seated practice. Always breathing equally through both of your nostrils. Take a few long, deep breaths equally through both nostrils. And enjoy how this feels. Gladden your mind. There are many thousands of ways to breathe. Every pore of your skin is always involved in the breathing process. So actually the entire body is always engaged with your energetic life process happening within you and surrounding you. You can keep this visualization in mind as you continue to practice. You can begin by focusing in on a small body part or body area, maintaining your concentration there, and notice how the breathing feels as you continue to focus on that body part. Do your best to stay with your meditation object, which is your breath, moment by moment. As soon as you perceive the mind is drifting away, as quickly as possible, simply come back without judging yourself or criticizing yourself for becoming distracted. Just come back every time. And it's okay if you have to do this 100 times during the next 20 minutes of practice. It's okay. In fact, by continuously recognizing what the mind is trying to get up to, you're learning about the nature of your mind, and that's what this process is all about. So, keep your body still, keep gladdening your mind, and focus on your breath. The mind has many tricks, and the mind will make many excuses. As a beginner, it's common to notice within your mind a voice that wants to say, "This is so boring, what's next? Why can't we continue to talk about the things we're used to talking about?" Movies we've seen, people we've talked with, events, things at your job, things in your home. But no, it's not the right time to have those internal conversations. Remember, right speech applies not only to your external speech, but also to your internal speech, how you talk to yourself. So when your mind becomes distracted and it starts to unravel into a conversation, something to do with your past or something to do maybe with your imaginary future, apply the rules of speech and just simply ask yourself, is this true? Is this beneficial? And is it the right time? And if that thought or that sentence or that internal conversation doesn't meet all three of those requirements, then please drop it. Keep it aside for now. Keep your thoughts skillful, in line with your body and your breath. Creating a conducive atmosphere within you an atmosphere that feels comfortable, refreshing, healing, and nourishing. Always breathing in a way that has these qualities. It's important that you feel good while you're sitting still with your eyes closed. If your body starts to complain about physical tension, please note the mental conversation that arises concerning this process. It's important because we have a body. It's important to understand the nature of physical pain. Perhaps most importantly, it would be helpful for you as a meditator to learn how to not create mental suffering for yourself if there is physical suffering within the body, even if it's just on a small scale, even if it's something as simple as a foot becoming tingly during the seated meditation process. It's a good way for you to start to understand the nature of the pain and how the mind is tempted to talk about it. If you do have these circumstances arising, just remind yourself it's temporary. It's fading with each passing moment. Especially every time you exhale, you can even visualize that part of your body where you feel the tension. You can visualize it relaxing. This is another level of practice, to be sure, but it is possible to do this. Every time you exhale, relaxing that particular space, that particular area, and freeing yourself from any mental entanglements pertaining to that sensation. You can imagine it's getting smaller moment by moment. Don't make it bigger. Don't make it seem bigger, like it's growing. Make it smaller and relax it. Relax your mind. Keep a beautiful, soft, subtle smile. Practicing very well together these next few moments. awareness back to your breath continuously. Stay alert to what's happening within you. It's a side effect of the practice that you will become relaxed. However, if you become too relaxed and zoning out and almost falling asleep, breathe in a way that maintains alertness within you. You can quicken the speed of the breath. You can take deeper inhales and more brief exhales. Just breathing in any way that energizes you and refreshes you. Continuing to create a beautiful sense of well-being and pleasure within yourself. This profound pleasure which arises during the seated formal meditation practice is a pleasure beyond what you normally experience with your eyes open. Sensory perception of temporary pleasure experiences concerning the material world. You can make a continuous comparison, measure it within you in whatever way makes sense. Describe how this feels. Talk to yourself about it these next few moments and just witness the pleasure of this practice. Just simply sitting still with your eyes closed and enjoying your breath. Taking note of the quality of the mind now as compared to when you first closed your eyes. Feel the parts of your physical body which are in touch with your mat or your cushion. These next few moments, allowing yourself to feel just slightly more heavy than usual. Have a sense of stability in your posture. Feeling stable in the body, in the mind, and in the breath. The next time that you exhale, bring a beautiful, soft, subtle smile to your lips and place your left hand upon your heartbeat. Place your right hand gently on top of the left hand and call to mind someone close and dear to you in your life. Just one person. Visualize in your mind's eye that person's face in as much detail as possible. Visualize them smiling back at you. And dedicate this practice to that person. May he or she be well and happy now and always. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Just taking your own time. Just taking your own time. You can slowly, very slowly, start to open your eyes and come back into the space with me. Yes, if you need to stretch your legs forward, adjust your pose, you're welcome.